hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, ayy, like a light, ayy, like a light, ayy. Slept through the flight, ayy, not for the night.
When the sun sets and you're walking alone, you better keep your eyes and ears open. Jamaican folklore says that the red-eyed beast preys on its victim during the night, with chains wrapped around its entire body. The chains drag along behind it, making unnerving clanking noises. You know the rolling calf is nearby. The spirits of the evil and wicked possess the animal and uses its oversized body to block pathways. They'll chase you down until you too become a part of the night.
Extravagance on my face. This is gonna be a Halloween tutorial, and I've never ever done any of these, so this is my very first one, and cut me some slack. Okay, thank you. So we don't celebrate Halloween here in Jamaica unless you rich and bougie. Big up you. But the average Jamaican doesn't celebrate Halloween. But what we do have in Jamaica is a lot of duppy stories, aka ghost stories, for those of you that aren't Jamaican. So we do have a lot of duppy stories, and the story that I wanted to highlight in this video is the rolling calf. So you would have heard the backstory of the rolling calf by now, and I just wanted to do a different spin on it. I wanted to do somewhat glamorous look of the calf, or that was my intention at least, but we ended up with this instead. Yeah, so if you wanna see how to achieve this look, of course you could maybe like use it for guidance to do another look. Of course, if you don't wanna be a cow for Halloween, but bitch, I'm a cow. Bitch, I'm a cow. Oh my god, my horn. Hello, honey. Relax, relax. Alright, so if you wanna see how to achieve this makeup look, you keep on watching. Wow, why are there no moo sounds in anything I'm saying? Let's move on over to the next scene. There we go.
So the first part of our moo 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 transformation is our eyebrows, because we are slaying cow. We out here taking lives, slaying hoes with our bomb ass, chisel ass, bossy ass eyebrows. You know, but not really. So I just take some white pencil and I fill in the inner corners of my eye, because we're going for a white and black ombre effect. And then taking some liner, and I use liquid liner for this, and just filling in the outer corners of the eyebrow. I went in back with some white paint because the white pencil just wasn't pigmented enough, and I'm just using a spoolie to fan this in. And of course we gotta clean them brows up, because we done said, like, you know, when you gotta kill people by night, but you gotta catch a baby by day. We that kind of calf. Okay. We out here running down these people in the night and kind of snatch a baby when the sun rises. Hello, let's get you some milk. So I'm just going in with some black eyeshadow, and I'm filling the outer corners of my eye. I did add some browns in my transition color just so the look could flow some more. And I'm just taking black and packing that on until it's super rich on the outer corners of my eyes, and making sure to blend so everything looks seamless. Because as I said, we kill these hoes by night, but of course, we gotta catch us up. What do you call a milk calf? What if a milk calf is by day? Okay, we ain't trying to scare people all our lives. You know what I mean? And I'm just taking some concealer and cutting my crease, a half cut crease, and then I went in with the Rihanna Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette, but the color was just a little bit too cream, but I wanted a rich white milky cow look. So I just went in with this old shiny palette that I had, and just used the white from that to fill in the inner corners of my eye. Y'all peep my nails though. My nails are like super Halloweeny. Do you see them? They're like bloodshot, or that's what I was going for. If you don't see it, I'm really sorry. But I really like my nails, but it's so hard to do makeup with long nails, y'all. So I'm just filling in the gaps, making sure that my eyes look nice and milky, because at this point I was still convinced that this look would have turned out bad, but I was wrong. So I'm going in with a white concealer and highlighting the points of my face because I really wanted that black and white cow look. But after applying this and reading the label on the concealer, it's really not white. It's supposed to be like a highlighter, so it's super shimmery. So when I added it to my face, it didn't give me the coverage that I wanted. And I couldn't use the white paint because I just couldn't get it to blend. It just didn't work out. So I'm just going in with some easy peasy and chiseling my face. Of course, we gotta be a slim cow because we're gonna try to catch these niggas. We're gonna try to catch these calves. And I'm just going in and trying to contour my face and further highlighting my face in the high points to try to get that, we transforming into a cow slowly but surely. So after I've added that, I go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I use it to set my face just so I could get it to look a little bit more opaque. I don't use Laura Mercier translucent powder on my face anymore because I feel like it's just a little bit too white, and of course the deep version of it would be too dark for me. So I thought this was really nice to just bring back that whiteness to my face that I was going for. Now, after we did all of that, it's time to draw on our spots. You ever seen a cow with no spots? No. Right, but we ain't doing spots right now. We're doing my nose. So cows have this really huge nose that flows into their lip. And they only really technically just have like a top lip. But that wasn't cute. So when your girl did that, so I just drew a line across the bottom of my nose where my line is, where the opening is. And I used a pencil, liquid liner for that. And then I just went in with some eyeshadow and filled in the area. And of course, we got to get ourselves that pink, cute button nose. Well, not button. That cute cow nose. And I'm just going in with pink to fill in. Now, it's time for the spot. So I'm just going in with my felt pen and just outlining the shape of the spots and then going in with black eyeshadow and filling this in. I use the black eyeshadow from the Kylie Bronze palette. It's so pigmented, y'all. Like, it really is. I really like this palette. And I'm just going in and, filling in spots. I wanted to have like a chiseled, dark, super dark contour look to my face. But after I added the black, trying to blend that ish was the hardest thing ever. And I took time with this, y'all. I didn't even rush. Of course, because we're trying to get to some mans. And by mans, I mean cow. In the morning, we got to get some or highlight on. And I'm just using that same shadow that I use on the inner corners of my eyes to highlight my cheekbones. And I took this all the way to my hairline because I'm a cow, it's okay. And I'm just adding that, trying to glow up for my cow babe that I'm about to snatch. And then once I've done that, I'm just going to add some more highlight throughout my face to try and get me, try to make the cow thing come together. At this point, guys, I'd really already given up on this, but my sister was like, no, continue. It's fine. Continue. So I'm just adding some black lipstick to my lips, and this would complete the bitch, I'm a cow transformation. Moo.
Alright guys, so this is the end of the tutorial. Whew. Your girl tried, okay? I would say if I'm gonna rate myself on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give this look a solid 4. Like, I think a solid 4. Like, no lies. Like, elements. I got my horns. I got my spots. My spots look nice. So I think the elements of this look were nice, but I personally don't think like it came together for the glam cow look that I was going for. The glam rolling calf. She's making her way downtown, scaring hoes with her red eyes, and you're gonna die. guys, I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If not, just for shits and giggles, if you didn't learn anything. I'm sure you didn't learn anything. I think you learned to not be a cow this Halloween. Don't let Doja Cat fool you. Bitch, I'm a cow. It's not working. Comment below what you think my score is on 1 to 10. Please do not style me. If y'all give me a 0, I'ma cry. I'ma disable my YouTube account, okay? Woo! Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next upload. Bye!